Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Trini oxtail stew, easy method. Brown the oxtail well on all sides, then remove and set aside. Sauté aromatics, add spices and tomato, deglaze with a splash of beef stock, then return oxtail to the pot. Add water to cover, simmer low and slow until tender, skimming fat as needed and tasting for balance. This section covers essential ingredients and their roles. Use fresh thyme and bay leaf for aroma and Scotch bonnet for controlled heat. Green seasoning brings herbaceous depth, while carrots and potatoes add body. Butter beans soften and thicken the stew naturally, and a little tomato paste boosts umami. Balance salt late and taste often to achieve that rich, comforting Trini stew flavor everyone will love. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation. The Oala water bottle is great for staying hydrated during long stews and messy prep, with a spill-proof lid and easy carry design. I keep one nearby when cooking long recipes like this. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Slow braising is the secret to fall-off-the-bone oxtail and glossy gravy. After browning, simmer gently so collagen melts into the sauce, producing a silky mouthfeel. Skim excess fat early, then reduce the liquid to intensify flavors. Taste toward the end and tweak with salt or a splash of acidity if needed. Serve over white rice or with dumplings for a true Trini comfort meal that delights every time.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.